With so many smart factories and intelligent machines, how is AMC helping make that future a reality and ways that matter today?
Again, like my previous answer, our products are designed to take information, the physical world information, and digitize it and put it into out into the higher machine controls. So we can take something as simple as the torque or current and output that directly to the machine, and then that becomes data. And this is important for statistics and monitoring. You can be running a machine, and if a process takes a certain amount of current to run, and that slowly increases over time, that could be an indication that maybe a bearing's going out, or maybe it needs maintenance or lubrication, because the torque is proportional to the current. So all you have to do is measure the current. It's like, oh, there's something going on, something's changing over time. And you can see that if you're capturing the data and looking at it.